Hi guys! Instead of telling you about today, we will let different people do the talking. Take a listen.
Ndi muri service ya consultation yo kuvugana n'abagwayi. Kuva ntanguye kuza muri Harvest Week turahura n'abanyagihugu tudahuri Bujumbura, turahura n'ibibazo tudahuri Bujumbura.
Rero maze kubona yuko muri programme hariho ukuvura bakabangikanya ni evangelisation byarantangaje cyane bituma numva yuko burya umuntu ashobora gufatanya umwuga wiwe akabukoresha mu gutanga ubutumwa.
So the most impactful moment for me is seeing the variety of people here in Burundi that have to wait patiently to see a doctor because they don't get access to a doctor as easily as we do in America.
Turisanzura mu kuvuga ngene tugwaye ico twagishimye cyane.
We have lines of people that they come in and they have a couple tests done before they can see a doctor. So some diabetes and malaria and blood pressure. So I'm helping with that. I've also helped set things up, just walk around to see where I'm needed.
Hari umugwayi yadukozeko apana jewe gusa yadukozeko yari umugwayi tuvuye iginyo cyo kimwe n'abandi bose avuye kuri chaise duhejeje kumuvura umva yatuguye mu nda twese umwe wese akamugwa mu nda hanyuma akamubwira imihezagiro n'ibintu udashobora kumenyera nubwo bikora imyaka 10.